What do I say? Uh, no matter how many times I do this, I'm still going to feel weird in front of a camera. Anyway, welcome back to another one. This is going to be short and sweet, I promise. I know I can babble, but this is just about getting the bike started, and a couple of things just before hitting that starter button. Just want to make sure everything is secured, sealed up, and ready to go. So you can see the bike sitting behind me, a little bit of a teaser, but I promise I'll do a little bit of a reveal here pretty soon. Before I do that, I just want to talk about getting the bike started for the first time. So this is a pretty big milestone. It sat for about a year in pieces, as you know, if you've been watching this channel. And now it's pretty much ready to ride. I got a few more things on order and I'll get those sorted out, but it's pretty close to being finished. Next video you see will be the reveal. So I promise that one in the next couple of weeks. I was at work, and I do these videos in between my work schedule, and although that doesn't sound like it's a big deal, it is for me because I work about 4,000 miles from home, and I do a 3-week on, 3-week off schedule. So I've got to work around that, and that's what I'm doing here today. Okay, so before I could get it started, I had to make sure that all the nuts and bolts were sealed up. All the oil lines that go up from the crankcase into the cylinder head, checked all those, made sure the exhaust was tight, and all the fuel lines were secure. And then I went out and got some gasoline, which is a problem in its own because now in Canada, as of February, this is March 2023, but as of last month, all gasoline in Canada contains ethanol. So that was a problem, but thanks to YouTube, I found a way to get rid of the ethanol in the gasoline because it's a problem in these old bikes, especially when you don't get ridden a lot. So I'll talk about that in another video. But this one here is just going to be short and sweet, just a 2-minute clip of starting the bike for the first time. So here it is. It's a big deal. The bike's running again and it sounds fantastic and I'm so happy. Here's the shot. All right, so there you have it. It's running. I'm really, really, really happy. It's been about a year since it was running, and to hear it start up again and to be running so well feels pretty good. Next step, of course, is getting the bike out, getting it on the road, and taking it for just some test drives around the neighborhood. once it warms up a bit. So it's March now, March 2023. It's getting a little bit warmer. Not, not so much that I want to take it out for a ride, but I definitely will sort of take it out for a spin around the neighborhood just to troubleshoot, get the thing ready for when the weather does get nice and I do get a chance to take it out on the road. Thanks again for watching. I wanted to keep this one short and sweet. Next one will be a reveal and then sort of like a roundup of what's been done, what's left to do, and hopefully I'll be able to get the bike outside when it's nice and sunny and you can have a good look at the finished product. So again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Got another one coming up here pretty soon. Thanks.